Wild Amber is undeniably one of the favorite hangout spots for the Titos of Makan Thoughts after a long week of work. This bistro bar offers a delightful fusion of cuisine, including handmade pizzas, pasta, and carefully selected bar snacks. Located just a short distance from Tai Seng MRT station, it's easily accessible for those looking to unwind and indulge in some delicious food and drinks. The moment you step into Wild Amber, you'll be greeted by a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Here you can find a selection of beers on tap, including Stella Artois, Lager, and Little Creatures Pale Ale. One of the highlights of Wild Amber is its delectable menu. The handmade pizzas are a true delight, with their thin and crispy crusts topped with a variety of mouth-watering ingredients. So, the next time you're looking for a place to relax and indulge, head over to Wild Amber for a truly enjoyable experience. Whether you're looking to catch up with friends, enjoy a romantic date night, or simply unwind on your own, Wild Amber provides the ideal ambiance for every occasion. And don't forget to follow the TikTok of Makan Thoughts, because we consistently deliver captivating and mouth-watering videos that are sure to satisfy your cravings.
Yan.
Sa akin pa nakatuto.
Oo, siyempre. Congratulations, Alts. Good luck to Ben. Ben. Oh, Ben, ha? Level up na to, ah.
Paano na rin nila yan? Ang daming
Pang ano to, ah, Busi Pogs.
ang daming nagalit.
Yung Instagram ko, Busi Pogs. Friend ko na. Meron ka. Instagram ka lang.
Wala kasi dyan.
Sa Pinas.
Isa lang ba to? Ako dun sa pangalawa.
Yan sinasabi kong pinakamahal na.
Gaano kamahal ang pinakamahal? Malakas yung parang yung oven niya. Ginagawa lang na kanina. Dapat di lalapas na sa minuto. Oo, dapat dito. Kasi magasunod yung
Congrats, Alts. Thank you, Alts.
Gaganyan natin. Delivery mo kami. Mas mahal pa dyan. Wala na akong trabaho.
Video ba to? Isipin mo na, wala kang kaibigan, pare. Ingit ka na lang, Eugene. Bella.